Hi, I'm Jay Thomas from Jay Thomas Auto, and I'm back at Rod's Hot Rods on Faithful Avenue for another Hot Rod Hangout. And it's so cold outside, we figured we'd channel summer and sit inside a convertible. And
feels good.
Yeah, this feels like
should have had the fan going for the to get all the locks. And...
What locks?
Yeah,
right?
What are you talking about?
Yeah, sure. So we thought we'd take another look at what's new at Rod's and check out some more cool cars. We've man, Rod, it's been great. You've got more new stuff here. What are we looking at today?
Nice Chevelle, big block 4-speed.
Mm-hmm.
It's a post car, which is kind of cool.
Well, that's different, yeah.
We got a couple lower price cars. Still nice cars, but they're in a different price category. We've got a 66 Chrysler 300.
Yeah.
It's kind of a cool.
That's kind of in my
cool
wheelhouse.
Boat,
yeah, that's right.
And then we got one of the fastest growing trends is the 70s. Is the 74 LeMans.
Mm-hmm.
That Laguna, Chevelle, LeMans. That kind of they're coming up quick.
Narrow tail looks. They're kind of an iconic car. Yeah, they are coming along, aren't they?
And we still have the truck at home. I was going to drive it in today. Our dually, that one we talked about last week.
Yeah, the Ford, right?
Yeah.
Cool. And we think is all original paint and pretty cool truck.
It might be, yeah. We got to look into it further, but it's a cool truck, yeah.
Awesome. So let's take a look at what's new in the showroom here. All right, Rod, we're starting with 3 new vehicles today. We'd have that truck, but it's over at your house.
Yeah, we got 2 trucks.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So we're starting over here with the Le Mans. This is cool.
It's an entry level, get in, have fun. Sounds killer. Have fun, show and shine kind of a car, and just enjoy it, right?
You know, go for ice cream, have a blast. Interior's in pretty good shape, you know, like there's really nothing wrong with it inside here. The dash isn't cracked up.
Buckets console, nice stereo's got a sub in the back.
Red on red, hey, like
all maroon.
All maroon, I like it. You know, it's a shape that's unmistakable. You know,
we give it a quick polish, and we just got it in like an hour ago.
Yeah, it's still got some snow in it, but I mean, like that's a neat shape for a car, and just lots of fun.
Kind of looks fast, standing still, kind of a look.
You want to pop the hood on it too?
Sure.
New exhaust, you said, right?
Yeah, brand new
exhaust. So it sounds good. And somebody's put some love and TLC into this car, you know.
Yeah.
So what do we got under here?
I believe, I don't know. We just got the car in. I can't even tell you.
I believe I don't know. Look, here we go. 400 cubic inch.
That's what I was going to guess. I didn't want to sound like an idiot though, so I didn't say anything.
We got a sticker. Hey, but we got AC. That's cool. That's awesome.
Cruise control.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's over there. Yup. Looks like it's all in here. Right on.
Runs really well.
This is the smoggy engine though, right? This has got all the.
If it had 200 horsepower, I'd be very surprised. But it sounds like it's got 500 horse, if that matters. It sounds really good.
Sometimes that's all that matters.
Yeah.
Awesome. Pontiac LeMans.
Pontiac.
Yeah. Very cool. I like that because you know what? We got something for everybody at Rod's, and that's great. All right, over to our next. And I love this car. I think I'm kind of falling in love with this car. This is a 60 what?
66 Chrysler 300. Yeah, this is more your taste.
Kind of is, yeah. The big boat.
Not that it's 19 feet long, but it is actually.
It is actually 19 feet long. White top, white interior, really nice red. Now, somebody did put some, wheels on it.
We do have the factory wheels and hubcaps that are still available for the car.
Yep, so that's awesome.
Yep. It was painted, obviously. So there's new paint on it, newer paint. Most of the interior, I believe, is still original.
Let's have a peek in there.
It's a pretty original car.
Yeah, and this is cool. I mean, like white vinyl, buckets, console, and look down here. That in there is it's called a performance meter, but really it's just a big vacuum gauge, right? Economy, performance.
Yeah, it's quite the spaceship looking thing.
Ooh, look at that. Down there is an extra button called Centennial, right? So those were the lights right down there. And it says auto, max, min, delay. So they'd keep the lights on after the car was shut off so you could see where you were going.
This is kind of cool too. Slide out.
Whoa, look at that.
Dual ashtrays.
And then dual ashtrays and like a cigarette holder or a lipstick holder. That's kind of cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
Power seat, power windows.
Chrysler always did do a pretty cool job with some of the interiors that they had, you know. Oh yeah, look at that. We've got power window controls in there. It's a big car.
This is the drive-in special trunk. I'm sure we could fit a few people in there.
You could, like what's that, Jay Leno's old joke? You could rent it out to a family of 4 for the weekend, you know, as their apartment.
Yeah.
Ooh, dual exhaust. Look at that. Yeah, awesome. Power antenna there.
At least I remember how to get the hood.
We got a hood ornament, a 300 hood ornament, and I love these. The
turn signal
fiber
indicators.
turn signal indicators. Here's another edition of does Rod know how to open the hood?
I just had it. Like, I practiced this before we did the video. Oh, here it is. I got it.
There we go. Whoo.
Very original. We just got this car into, so there's been no cleaning or anything.
That's okay though. Look at that big orange brute.
383.
So a 300, as I thought, had Hemi heads. Is this Hemi heads? We don't know. Somebody in the comments, tell us. Is that a Hemi? 383. Yeah, well here's
Fender
the tag,
tag,
right? I mean, that'll tell us. Although you got to know how to read the thing, so, you know, there's that.
My books don't go back that far, so we're gonna need some help from the Mopar guys.
Okay.
Or gals.
You know what's neat? So it does have power brakes. That's cool. We've got power steering. Yep. No air conditioning. But I think it's actually fascinating the way they did the rods that hold the hood up.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Sort of trunk-like, but they put it up on the front because usually you got the big, you know, springs that are in there with GM
When
stuff,
you're opening
right?
the hood, though, it feels really good. Like
Really?
It's nice and I don't know. It's a level feeling. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. So
Cool. That's
closes nice.
vintage and all there. I love it. And I like that interior. Very handsome. So now on
to more one my flavor.
I was just gonna say, kind of more your
Sorry,
thing.
I'm taking your job.
All right, here we go. Chevelle.
This is a very nice car, but it's an odd body style. I don't know if I've ever seen one, or just seen very few of them that are a post.
Oh, yeah, okay. So here we go.
So 68 Chevelle.
Not a hardtop.
Well, it's a post.
It's a coupe.
And it's a 396 with a 4-speed.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Her shifter in there. Nice shape in here, too.
Yeah, very nice car.
Has this been, like, full restore?
Yes, it's been restored, yeah.
Nice color, too.
Yeah, I
Boy.
can't beat the blue with the white stripes. It's
That is, yeah, they're up there. That is handsome. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, Wayne had the battery charger on.
396, chromed out valve covers and the air cleaner. Ooh, brake master cylinder, or I should say the booster is chromed out.
That's what we call Chevy Chrome. Goes faster.
Goes faster, adds 10 horsepower.
So they painted the inners, the firewall, shiny black. Not like it's done like that factory, but I think it shows very nice.
It does, yeah. Yeah, and I mean, everything's in nice shape in this car.
This is also fuel injection. This has got a Holley Sniper fuel injection on it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Well, you know, that's one of those things actually that I guess with a keen eye, you'd sort of see, you know, the new temperature sensor there and some modern wiring.
Some couple things give it away.
You know, but really when you're looking at it, you wouldn't really know if you weren't really paying attention, right? Like until you said it, I didn't really notice that. So that's cool. Headers, the whole works. This thing probably moves pretty nice and sounds good and everything, right?
Yeah, it sounds really good, yeah.
I like it.
That's the same color as the Camaro coming in next week.
Oh.
Same blue, same white stripes.
Well, I love the stuff that's in here right now. There's such a huge variety, man. If you're into like the 50s and 60s, then you're into muscle, you're into pro street or pro touring, man, you got something for everybody in here, Rod. It's great. It's awesome. Hey, we should mention that registration is now open for both the Dragons Rod and Custom Car Show, the 60th this year, as well as whatever year they're on down in Regina, because
Majestics 2 weeks after, yeah.
Yeah, 2 weeks later. So it's going to be, of course, Easter, and then 2 weeks after that for Majestics. And you can register if you got a car you want to put in there. I know you're going to be there, right?
We're planning to have a booth at both car shows.
Yep.
And it's going to be fun.
Yeah, it will. It will.
Lots of stuff for sale and giveaways, and just looking forward to meeting people and.
Yeah, doing the car show thing again, right?
Just the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that far away. I know it seems frigid and desolate outside now,
today, yeah.
but it'll be here before we know it, right? It's great. We got more stuff still coming to Rod's Hot Rods. What's on the way?
We've got a very cool 81 Jimmy 2-wheel drive. It's a different look.
Yeah.
It's lowered. It's cool. You got to see it.
There's certainly lots of demand for those things right now.
Yeah, there is. And the other one that I just secured here about an hour ago, 69 Camaro Ss Rs, 4-speed, more of a pro touring look with the suspension, small block, blue, white stripes, houndstooth interior. Those people that are listening, most of these Camaros sell before they even get here. So I'm just saying it now.
If you're interested, make a call. It's kind of like the stuff at Costco.
Yep.
When you see it, you buy it. Because the next time you come back, it's gone.
You never know.
Thanks for watching. Stay warm out there. We'll catch you next time on Hot Rod Hangout.